up guys, welcome back. As you can tell from the intro, I think you got an idea what this video is going to be about. Well, we are actually kicking off a series on this. It's going to be the 1,000 mile service series on my Harley. And for you guys that watch my videos, you know what kind of Harley I have. If you don't, let's take a look. Come on, it's over here. So you guys could tell it's a 18 Harley Davidson Softail Slim. Just turned over 1,000 miles the other day. So we're going to go ahead and do the 1,000 mile service. The dealer wants to charge you, I think it's, at least in my neck of the woods, it's almost about a $400 service. I like to do all the services myself. That way I know that it's, not that I don't trust the dealer, but I just like to do it myself. That's just me. I kind of like to tinker and do that stuff myself. So this series is going to be broken down into, I don't know, 2, maybe 3 videos. Today we're just going to go over the hardware that you're going to need to pull this off, tools, fluids, filters, O-rings, stuff that you're going to need to pick up from your local dealer or some online retailer that you prefer, whichever. It really doesn't matter, just as long as you have it. So with that being said, let's take a look at what we're going to need to pull this off. So all right guys, here's some of the things that you're going to need in order to pull this service off. One, you're going to need some funnels, a long funnel. Some of the holes on these Softails are pretty hard to reach. They're pretty deep, so you need something long to get in there. I bought a primary case funnel. You really don't need it, but it keeps things nice and neat. You're going to need an O-ring kit. 3 O-rings for your drain plugs and your primary, your derby cover. You may not have to replace this one, but it's always nice to have one on hand. You're gonna need 7 quarts of whatever lubricant you guys want to use. I'm using Sin 3 2050 in all 3 holes. And I know that you guys might fuss at me and tell me you need gear oil and things like that. I run it all and I don't have any problems whatsoever. So put whatever fluid that you want to in your motorcycle, but you're gonna need 4.5 quarts, I believe, for the oil change, and then transmission and primary, you're going to need 1 quart. You're going to need an oil filter. And probably the most important thing, and I feel it's indispensable, is a service manual. This is for the 18 Softail models. Really indispensable, very expensive from the dealer. This thing was like 130 bucks, which is crazy, but it breaks everything down for you. Pictures, descriptions, instructions, torque values, everything. I mean, this is the same book the techs use at the dealership. So if you're going to wrench on your bike, I really think that this is an indispensable resource to have. There are some digital versions out there that you can find. I just find it cumbersome thumbing through the PDF trying to find what I need to where I can just flip, and I know it's a $130 flip every time I do that, but I really like having the physical book. But you do whatever you want, but I highly suggest getting either a digital copy or an actual paper copy of it. So other than that, we're just going to need basic hand tools. A couple things that you guys may not have that I feel that you need to do this is torque wrenches. Let me grab one. You're going to need one in foot-pounds and one in inch-pounds. You really want to make sure you get your torque specs where they need to be. So other than that, just basic hand tools, sockets, torque bits, Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, standard wrenches, an assortment of those. And you should be able to get through this just fine. So let's change views and talk about it some more. So all right guys, that's about everything you're going to need in order to pull this service off. I may have forgotten a few things. If I did, when we're actually into it, doing the actual service, I'll point something out that you may need or may not have or something along those lines. But there we go. So next video posted up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to change that oil. We're going to adjust the clutch, change the primary, and change the transmission, get all the fluids changed. And that's probably the meat and the potatoes of the whole service. The rest of it's a lot of checking and things like that. Really simple stuff to do. So with that being said, I hope you guys follow along the series. And I appreciate you guys tuning in and letting me waste your time, as always. And next video should be up in a few days, and we'll go from there. So, like always, guys, be careful out there and ride safe. And until next time, later.